Hi guys, today I'm going to do a lip swatch on ColourPop lipsticks. I have the satin lips and the matte lips, so let's get started. Okay, so that was my lip color swatches from ColourPop Cosmetics, and like I said before, I have the matte lips and the satin lips, and my favorite color from the matte side would definitely have to be Rouge, which is also part of Karrueche Trans collection. And honestly, I love this color so much, like the way it comes on. It's like a dark red. Since it's a matte, it stays on dry, and it stays on like the whole day, like, so it's really good. The only one negative thing that I do have to say about this, I don't know if this applies to other people, but for me, when I put it on and when I have it on after a while, like in the middle of my lips, it like starts to crack. But like I said, I don't know if that's for everyone. That's the only negative thing that I do have to say about this color itself, because the other mattes don't do that. So I don't know if it's just this one or whatever, but yeah. But other than that, this is my favorite. Like, it's an amazing color, like I said before, and I would definitely wear this a lot. Like, it's good for going out. If you want to get cute and fancy, you can wear this color because it's just amazing. From the satin side, my favorite color would definitely 100 times have to be freaking frack. I recently purchased this, and like this is the first time I got one of their satin lips, and it's amazing. Like, it's kind of matte, but it also has, like, since it's satin, like you can actually rub your lips together and it won't be dry or flaky and stuff. Like, it's still a little moist, so this is good. And this is honestly like my go-to color and everyday color that I could wear all the time because it's just so amazing. And it's not too bright, but it's not too dull. Like, people still notice, but also at the same time it's not like a crazy bright color. So it's really good. Like, I really love it. Like, I think you guys should definitely get this if you're looking for like nice calm color to wear every day. And Magic Wand and Echo Park, these two, these are like more on the nude side. Like, Magic Wand is really beige, as you saw when I put it on. So this, it's good, but it's not for everyone because like your lips are gonna look white. So I don't think you want to go outside with white lips because that's just weird. But if you prefer that look, then this is definitely the color for you. And again, it's Magic Wand in the Satin Lips by ColourPop. And Echo Park is like, when I put it on, like a light pink, so it's not that noticeable. You can wear this every day because it's just like a color that probably no one is gonna notice. It won't stand out too crazy like a bright red or bright purple. Like, it's a good go-to color to wear every day. And another color that I could wear every day is Stingray. I put this on. This is from the matte side of the ColourPop collection, and it's similar to Frickin' Frack. Like, the colors are kind of similar, but this is more on the darker side of things. Like, it's a dark purple, but it's not the purple where it's like crazy, again, like I said, with the other colors. So this is a really good go-to color as well, and I could wear this every day also because it's great. ColourPop because like it's amazing. One, they have so many color options. You cannot go wrong with their colors. Like,
you guys have a bunch of options that you can look for. If you feel like you're not going to find the right color, you will, trust me, because there's so many colors on ColourPop.
And the second great thing about ColourPop is that their prices are so cheap. Their lipsticks are $6 for the mattes and satins, so it's not like, oh, you're gonna be like, oh, I don't want to buy the matte because they're too expensive, I'm just gonna go straight to the satin, or oh, I don't want to buy the satin because they're more expensive than the matte. No, everything is one price only, $6, and it's great. Like,
Or that someone is gonna have a collaboration with ColourPop and they're gonna come out with the color of your dreams that you've been looking for all year long, and yeah, it's just great.
I'm gonna stop talking now because I just can talk for days
about how great they are, but I'm not gonna do that because I have to go, and I don't want you guys to be listening to me for 20 minutes going on about ColourPop and their lipsticks. So yeah.
That's all I have for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And please like, comment, subscribe, like tell me what I should do better or how to do it better. Like, feel free to do so. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.